Welcome horror freaks and masked fanatics. I heard you guys like blood. I heard you like slashers. I heard you like masks. Well, in that case, you're going to enjoy this video because I have flopped out another EXHUMER paint job variation. So, as preferred to the original stone effect mask, we have gone for a bone effect, absolutely saturated, doused and covered in nice glossy red blood. So, here it is worn, and I have to say so myself, it looks majestic. All my masks come with 3-way straps. One option is the nylon strap. The masks also come with a silver metal O-ring as well. The masks are latex for now until I master other mediums. It is a very durable, flexible latex. Not very heavy, but it does depend on the strap option you do decide upon. Here is the default EXHUMER mask, so this is the stone effect. So when it comes to the EXHUMER, the origin of this mask goes that he actually made the mask himself from his own tombstone. Just a very brief sort of glimpse into his origin story there. You're welcome. Here it is worn as well. Now this one is very well shaded. I've heard from a few of you that you feel the EXHUMER character, or the mask at least, is very reminiscent of Dead by Daylight, and that I love hearing. Thank you guys. And this is the secondary option, a 3-way leather strap, adjustable of course, and also with my signature metal O-ring. Very nice. Well, I hope you guys enjoy these two masks. They are currently for sale. I am making copies as well. Speaking of which, be sure to stalk me or follow me on Open Grave Effects at Instagram. You can DM me over there if you feel like it, whether you want to purchase a mask, request a commission, or just talk shit about horror with me. I don't care. Just hit me up. I'm approachable. I might be a psychotic slasher killer mask maker, but hey, I'm a friendly guy. Well guys, let me know in the comment section what you thought of these two masks. I'd love to get some feedback from you all, as I'm sure you guys know your horror. I've really enjoyed making these masks, and it's been a while since I've done any videos on masks that I've made of my own original characters. So I'm hoping I'm going to do a few more soon, as well as Ghostface content. I know there's quite a few of you guys that enjoy those videos. Well, for now, thanks for watching the video. And as always guys, keep it creepy.